Hello students, welcome to Shield IAS. So this is the third video of Geography and Environment question discussion. In first and second video, we have already discussed 20 questions from Geography and Environment portion. In this video, we are going to discuss some important questions from Environment portion of UPSC Prelims 2022. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1. Which one of the following has been constituted under Environmental Protection Act 1986? So section 3 subclass 3 of Environmental Protection Act 1986, there was a body established Central Groundwater Authority, and the main function of this Central Groundwater Authority is to regulate, control and management of groundwater resource in India. So hence the correct answer is C, that is Central Groundwater Authority. With this, next move to the question number 2. Which one of the following best describe the term greenwashing? So greenwashing is a process conveying a false impression or provide misleading information to the people that company products are more environmental sound and company products are eco-friendly. So therefore the correct answer would be A. Question number 3. Consider the following statements. Here we have 3 statements and we have to choose the correct one. Statement 1. Gujarat has largest solar park in India. This is incorrect. The largest solar park in India and the world is Bhadla. It is located in Rajasthan, followed by Karnataka. It is in second number, and Andhra Pradesh is in third number. So 1 is incorrect. So we can eliminate option A, and also we can eliminate option C. Now second option says Kerala has fully solar powered international airport. This statement is correct because Cochin International Airport is world first and India's first solar power which is fully operationalized through the solar power. So second is correct. So B is the correct answer. And why third is incorrect? It is say Goa has the largest floating solar photovoltaic project in India. It is in not Goa, it is in Visakhapatnam of Rajasthan. So the correct answer is B, 2 only. Now question number 4. With reference to United Nations Convention on Laws of Seas, which means this question is about UN clause. Consider the following statement. A coastal state has a right to establish the breadth of its territorial sea up to a limit not exceeding 12 nautical miles, means 1 nautical miles 1.85 kilometer. Measure from baseline determined in accordance with the convention. So the statement is correct because Article 3 subclass 2 of UN clause says that a coastal state has the right to establish breadth of its territorial sea up to limit not exceeding 12 nautical miles. Second statement, sea of all state, whether coastal or landlocked, enjoy the right to innocent passage through the territorial sea. Again, the statement is correct. This is mentioned in article number 17 subclass 3 of UN clause, that is United Nations Convention on Laws of Sea. And third statement says that the exclusive economic zone, that is EEZ, shall not extend beyond 200 nautical miles, means it around 370 kilometer from the baseline. Let's say for example this is India and this is the main baseline, and from baseline it is up to 370 kilometer. So this is 200 nautical miles from the baseline from which breadth of territorial sea is remeasured. This statement is also correct because in 1982 UN clause has defined that exclusive economic zone shall not extend beyond 200 nautical miles from the baseline from which breadth of the territorial sea is measured. So here all statements are correct. Therefore, the correct answer is D, that is 1, 2 and 3. Now, question number 5. With reference to Indian laws of wildlife protection, consider the following statement. So, which means this question is related to WPA 1972, that is Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Statement 1. Wild animals are sole property of government. This statement is correct. It is mentioned in section 39 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It says that every wild animals are the sole property of government. Second statement, when wild animal is declared protected, such animal is entitled for equal protection, whether they found in protected area or outside area. Again, this statement is correct. Wildlife Protection Act 1972 does not discriminate between the animals, whether they found within the protected area or the outside protected area, which means Wildlife Protection Act 1972 provide equal protection to every animal irrespective of their location. So second statement is correct. Third statement, apprehension of protected wild animal becoming danger to human life is sufficient ground for its capture or killing. This statement is incorrect because according to Wildlife Protection Act 1972, only if animal which become a dangerous for a human being and they are diseased or disabled, which is beyond the recovery, they can be killed and they can be captured, not by Wildlife Protection Act 1972, but by a body called CWW, that is Chief Wildlife Warden. So if 3 is incorrect, we can eliminate C, D, and 1 or 2 are already correct. So A is the correct answer. Now question number 6. Certain species of which one of the following organisms are well known as cultivators of fungi. So here we have 4 organisms. Out of 4, ant, cockroach, grub and spider, ants are known as fungi grower. Why? Because they maintain an obligate mutualism with fungi, and these ants are found across the continent of America and West Indies. So the correct answer is A, that is ant. Question number 7. Consider the following statement. Other than those made by humans, nanoparticles do not exist in nature. So nanoparticles are found both naturally and man-made, and the source which nanoparticles are found, the source are volcanic ash, and the source are oceanic spray, and the source of nanoparticles are sand, dust and biomaterials. Example, viruses. So nanoparticles can be found both by nature or by humans. So statement 1 is incorrect. Second statement, nanoparticles of some metallic oxide are used in manufacture of some cosmetic. This statement is correct because some cosmetic industries, they use nanoparticles to improve or to increase the efficacy of cosmetic products. So second is correct. Third, nanoparticles of some commercial product which enter the environment are unsafe for human. This is again correct because some substance of nanoparticles such as silica, alumina and Sirius. So these are nanoparticles. When they enter into the environment, they are unsafe for human. So 2 and 3 are correct. D is the correct answer. Now question number 8. Consider the following. We have carbon monoxide, we have nitrogen oxide, we have ozone, and we have sulfur dioxide. Now question says, excess of which of the above in environment is our causes of acid rain? So as you know, carbon monoxide and ozone, they are natural occurring gases. And when talk about nitrogen oxide and sulfur, nitrogen oxide or sulfur, they are released by burning of coal and petroleum. And when this nitrogen oxide enter into environment and combine with water moisture means water, they produce nitric acid. And similarly, when sulfur dioxide, they react with or they combine with moisture, they produce sulfuric acid. And this HNO3, that is nitric acid and sulfuric acid, when they fall on the earth in the form of precipitation, it is known as acid rain. And as a result, it reduces the crop diversity and can damage the aquatic ecosystem. So all two options 2 and 4 are correct, that is B is the correct answer. Now question number 9, consider the following pairs. In left column we have reservoirs and right column we have state, and we have to match how many pairs given above are not correctly matched. So we have Ghat Prabha, as we discussed in a river system. Ghat Prabha is the name of a river which is a tributary of river Krishna. So it is not located in Telangana, it is in Karnataka. Second, Gandhi Sagar, it is located on river Chambal in Madhya Pradesh, this is correct. Indira Gandhi Reservoir, it is located on river Narmada, but not in Andhra Pradesh, it is in MP. Now 1 and 3 are incorrect. Now about 4, that is Maithon, it is located on river Barakar, and Barakar, it is not located in Chhattisgarh, it is located in Jharkhand, which is 40 km from the coal city of India, that is Dhanbad. So only two pairs are correct, that is Gandhi Sagar, Madhya Pradesh. 1, 3 and 4 are incorrect. So only 3 pairs are incorrect. So C is the correct answer. Now question number 10. In the context of WHO, that is World Health Organization air quality guidelines, consider the following statements. Statement 1, 24-hour means of particulate matter 2.5 should not exceed 15 microgram per cubic meter, and annual mean of particulate matter 2.5 should not exceed 5 microgram per cubic meter. This statement is correct because World Health Organization released globally air quality guidelines, and according to this guidelines, it has recommended that 6 major pollutants. And what are the pollutants? That is particulate matter 2.5, particulate matter 10, then carbon monoxide, ozone, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. So statement 1 is correct. Question number 2, in a year the highest level of ozone pollution occurred during the period of inclement weather, means it talk about winter. This statement is incorrect. Why? Because ozone pollution at the ground level form when sunlight react with nitrous oxide and volatile organic compound, they produce high level of ozone pollution. So it is not winter, it is in sunny weather. So statement 2 is incorrect, and third says if 2 is incorrect we can eliminate C, we can eliminate D. Now read about statement number 3. Particular matter 10 can penetrate the lung barrier and enter the bloodstream. Again, this is incorrect. It is not particular matter 10. It is particular matter 2.5. So if 3 is eliminated, so we can eliminate A also. So only one option remaining, that is B. So 1 and 4 are correct. So this is how we covered 10 questions from environment portion. In next video, we'll discuss some important questions from geography and agriculture. Thank you so much.